Okay, so hello again. A new day, almost a new project. You see the keyboard over here. Open it up already. It's a very classic GW50 from Roland. Let me shoot it like this. Upside down. Okay, this keyboard, I think it was made in '92 or something. Anyway, it was a top of technology in those times. Funny, it's still working very well. The keys are in perfect shape, everything is okay here, and the single problem is the display. Well, I was trying to have some dodgy fixing, I may say, so I open it up a little bit, this metal case. You see inside here that pinky stuff over there, in fact it's the lamp. This kind of display, it's working with CCFL lamp. It's a kind of, let's call it a neon lamp behind the display. Well, I was thinking having a kind of light, a kind of illumination from the sides, but it's not working at all. Okay, let me show you. The display is down here. I have to push this a little bit up to get access to the display. You have to take this board out and then just push this a little bit up on the display. It's just laying over there. It's very simple to take it off. Be careful with this kind of ribbon there. They are prone to get destroyed very easy. And this is the high voltage necessary for lighting up the display. Okay, let's have some isolation over here, kind of isolation, and power on. And there we have the display. Unfortunately, we can't see anything over there. It's such a dim backlight that you can't see anything without an extra light from outside. Let's measure this voltage for the C field for the backlight, and we have the connector right here, and it's like 63 volts alternative current, of course. So that's how much the CCFL is taking. And I was thinking about experimenting with this kind of LED lights. Okay, let me just disconnect this because it's high voltage and I don't want to have any accidents around here. Let's see, you see the light is off, so you can do whatever. I've been thinking like I don't know, having a kind of maybe something like this. But it's not working, not at all. Nothing from behind, of course, but that could be possible if I'm taking the old stuff back. But we have, in the same time, we have a lot of parts and circuits over there, the other side. So I was thinking maybe the polarized glass or anything else over there, it will give me a kind of spreading of the light, but there is no chance. The last resource is like this, you know, until I'm gonna have a proper backlight, I can use a lamp like this, and I just put it on the top of the things, and you can see, then you can read very nice and very well all these numbers and everything necessary. The contrast, it's working. There is nothing wrong with the display itself, with the LCD, it's working perfect, but the backlight is gone. So I was thinking even having a kind of USB port, 5 volts for this kind of lamp. I'm just connected the lamp behind, and in the same time it should be interesting because I can have lights to the commands on the top, on the front of this. Okay, just let me put the things back together for now. So some of these buttons just fly away, so I have to see exactly how they are and what's the order. So tone sequencer, block function, no. MIDI make song, no. Right. Okay, so everything is back in place. All the screws, like I said before, you see metal, everything it's really nice done. You know, very solid, I may say, and I really like the old way of keyboard construction. And of course, before anything else, let me have some tests to see if it's still working. So let's put some power. There we go. So I think it's okay. I can see on display I have signal on channel 1, so that means the keyboard it's working. You can see there. Okay, let's have another little test. You see, it's nothing. I may say the display is dead. But if I'm gonna use this kind of LED something, then I can easily put it over here somehow with some double tape or something. So then I can see the display, volume, and all the others are working properly. Yeah. So for now is the single solution until I'm gonna have a proper backlight for this keyboard. I hope this was useful. It's just an idea, a mid solution I may say. Thank you for now, and until the new projects, wish well. Bye bye.